Okay, Ava, show us your new moves. Good job. Use your knees. Use your knees. Use your knees. Good job. Good job. You can do it. Get back up on your knees. Aw. You can do it. You getting tired? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, you going to see Bella? Gentle with Bella. Gentle. Bella's cleaning herself right now. Yeah. Yeah. You just started using your knees to crawl this last week in the forward direction. Gentle with Bella. Bella. You trying to stand? You gonna come this way? Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. Look at you! You're going! Good job! What you coming to get? You coming to get Leo? There he goes. Get Leo. Good job, Ava. Good job. Good job. My battery's about to die, so I might lose you. Alright, we just want to show